What is up guys, Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So I wanted to show you guys some really cool easy weather setups. All of these I actually downloaded while I was live streaming. So if you guys haven't checked out the live stream, be sure to stop by when I do them. They're a lot of fun. I do a lot of cool stuff I like to think in those videos. But I did start that stream out with the non-jailbreak easy weather stuff. And it's a lot of fun and there's a lot of very cool themes to get with easy weather. So I'm just going to kind of go through a couple of them here just to show you guys some cool looking setups. Now this one looks awesome. This one's called, I believe, BK Rocket. And as you can see, we got the day, the date, we got a cool rocket. There's an orange bar here that indicates our battery life. You have your battery life up towards the battery, your current weather conditions, and your current temperature. Like I said, this is not jailbroken. This is using the easy weather shortcut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into shortcuts here and I'm going to go into the setup and I'm going to change the setup that you guys are seeing here. If I can get shortcuts to work, I am on 14.5 beta, so it's a little weird. So we're going to define the home screen theme. I'll click on OK. And as you can see, we were on the BKS rocket, wherever that was. We'll switch to this one here very easily just by selecting the JSON. And I'm going to close settings and then I'm going to hop out and run easy weather. I'll fast forward this part so you guys aren't waiting. And there we go. And as you can see, now we have a completely different setup on the home screen. We got cool weather walls. We got current weather condition down here with the battery. We have a forecast in the status bar with our name. I absolutely love this shortcut. It's so cool how it works. Let's go ahead and let's check out another one. So we'll go back in here. We'll define the home screen. Now, as I demonstrate this for the home screen, remember, you can do this same thing with independent themes for the lock screen. That's what makes it so damn cool. So let's go ahead and let's check out Elise's here. Click on OK, close the settings. And again, I'll run it again and fast forward for you guys. Boom, and now we have another setup for the home screen again. Current weather conditions, forecast, cool images and overlays and all that. Let's switch it up again. And I do want to mention I have covered easy weather. I'll leave the video links for it down in the description if you guys want to see how it works. It's really quite incredible. So let's go for like I said, I downloaded these all on stream and there's another one that's really freaking cool. Look in this one. So I'm going to go ahead and change it again. And of course, I'll fast forward this part so you guys aren't watching it load. And check this one out. This one's really cool looking. There's a ton of information. The cool little battery indicator on the bottom there. We got timed walls. We got weather walls. There's a little sun right there that actually moves across the screen as the day goes on. And then once it becomes nighttime, a moon will come out and go across the screen as well, which is incredible. You can totally automate this as well to run like every hour, so it's updating and showing you all of the most up-to-date weather conditions for your location. Pretty impressive easy weather. Like I said, I just wanted to show off some of the setups that I downloaded during stream because I think they are really cool looking. And these are all available in the iHeaven Discord. The link for this will be down in the description, as you guys can see right there, and you can go to the easy weather gallery and the easy weather themes shares. That's where I downloaded these. So if you guys like any of the themes that you guys just saw, you can find them in iHeaven. Very easily download and install them. Also, if you guys want to see me installing these in action, be sure to check out my previous live stream. I showed you guys how to do all that there. Definitely a cool shortcut. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.